In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DocuSign demo account for testing with DocuSign and Salesforce in this full 25 guide. We'll start in the DocuSign Developer Center because that's the correct place to create a non-production account for development and testing. Once you're on the developer site, choose the option to create an account or get started, then select the free developer account. This is important because you want a demo environment, not a live production account. Next, create your demo account by entering your basic registration details, including your name, email address, company, and country, and then complete the sign-up process. This is also the same approach commonly referenced in Salesforce training documentation when setting up a DocuSign account for testing. After that, check your inbox for the verification email from DocuSign. Open it, click the verification link, and then sign in to your new developer account. Once you're inside, make sure you are working in the demo environment. Developer accounts run separately from production, which helps keep your testing isolated and safe. Now go into your DocuSign account settings and open Apps and Keys. This is where you manage the credentials used for integrations. Click Add App and Integration Key. Give your application a clear name and let DocuSign generate the integration key for you. If your setup requires a secret key, open the application you just created and choose Add Secret Key. When the secret is displayed, copy it and store it somewhere secure right away, because it may only be shown once at creation. With DocuSign prepared, move over to Salesforce. Log into your Salesforce developer org or sandbox environment. If the DocuSign for Salesforce package is not already installed, install the correct package from AppExchange. This test setup is designed to work with sandbox or developer environments, which is exactly what you want here. From Salesforce, open the DocuSign Apps Launcher, go to DocuSign Setup, and begin the account connection process. During setup, look for Advanced Options and make sure you choose Login to Demo Account instead of connecting to a production DocuSign account. That selection is critical for keeping the integration pointed at your test environment. Then sign in using your DocuSign demo credentials, authorize Salesforce to access the account, and confirm that the correct demo account is connected. Finish any remaining setup steps in Salesforce and verify that your sandbox or developer org is now linked to the DocuSign demo account to test everything. Create or open a Salesforce record like a contact or opportunity, then use the DocuSign tools to prepare a document for signing. Add a test recipient and signature fields, send the envelope through the demo environment, and only use test information. Finally, open the test recipient email, review and sign the document, then return to Salesforce and confirm the envelope status updates correctly. Also verify that recipient details and completed documents sync as expected. That's how to fully confirm your DocuSign and Salesforce test integration is working properly.